going to be long out of here before then. Is it?
Before tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, this should be gone in the next couple of hours.
Oh, okay,
so the rest of the night will be quiet. And most of the day tomorrow, at least early, will be dry. Then we have some more storms rolling in. We need the rainfall, though. If we can time it out well, then really no issues. And it looks like we're kind of timing this out fairly well. Some heavy thunderstorms had been on the North Shore, had a street flood advisory. Most of that, though, notice, has really weakened. A few light to moderate showers still, maybe a little heavier around Sun at the moment. Now, headed south, I mean, we couldn't have timed it any worse or planned it out any worse. We've been hoping on rain across the metro area, but look at these showers as they moved in from the North Shore, weakened, and it's basically right at the St. Charles Jefferson line. So the city has seen almost nothing. There is now a severe thunderstorm warning for a thunderstorm that developed around the Estelle Belle Chase area just north of Jean Lafitte. Looks like this formed from a little outflow boundary. Gusty winds, lightning, heavy downpours with that. And then for the river parishes down the bayou, had some very heavy rainfall, did have, it's still in effect, a flash flood warning, although the heaviest of the rainfall gone there. This is all now moving south. So we are getting across much of the area some good soaking rains, just all avoiding the city right now. Even down near Grand Isle, we've had a few thunderstorms developing. And it does look like, again, for the next couple of hours, most of these showers will be winding down. Next hour or so, still some rainfall around. The most intense, though, will probably have weekend. And then by 7 o'clock, maybe a few more spotty showers, and then really drying out after 8 to 9 o'clock. And then notice we'll also start to see clearing skies through the overnight. So we will begin the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine. Had a lot of sunshine early today. 87 degrees was our high. Not quite the record, so at least with the clouds kind of building in, it prevented us from peaking at 90 degrees. Kind of mostly cloudy over downtown, but we were so close to the rainfall. Rain in the vicinity of Kenner, but not raining at the airport. 83 degrees right now. So they're kind of benefiting from some of the thunderstorms, which it dropped to 68 degrees at Reserve, 69 right now in Covington, 73 at Bogalusa. So where it is raining, the temperatures plummeted, upper 60s, low 70s compared to the upper 80s and low 90s. And also within those thunderstorms, again, strong gusty winds, not sustained for very long, but within the thunderstorms, you are going to find some of those strong winds. Now, tomorrow will begin the day very dry, very similar to today, but it looks like the rain might not be until the later evening hours. So, such as LaRose will probably peak in the upper 80s, maybe near 90 degrees before the clouds and rainfall begin. So, looking through the weekend and next week, evening showers on Saturday, kind of going into the night. Then we stay mostly dry for Sunday, maybe a few isolated showers. Another ridge of high pressure builds in for next week, hot and staying mostly dry. We're kind of seeing the last of that upper high, upper trough out to our west has kind of helped to weaken that high, as well as the upper trough that moved in from the east. Now we're getting kind of in between that, these little disturbances that are developing right in the kind of where the high was being squeezed together, and that's where we're getting more active weather across Mississippi and southeastern Louisiana. Again, this model also in agreement. A lot of these storms will be winding down over the next couple of hours or so, and we begin the day tomorrow dry. Here comes that next little complex of storms. The timing still kind of being worked out right now. It looks like it's more of an outflow from some thunderstorms that'll be to our north tomorrow, sending these storms in maybe more late afternoon, mid-afternoon, and into the early evening hours. Now, this model has it moving through very, very quickly, and then by the night tomorrow, all is done, and the rest of the day, Saturday night and going into Sunday, we're dry. So we're kind of working out the timing still within those thunderstorms, but just know that with those thunderstorms today, again, a low end risk. We've already seen some severe thunderstorm warnings, and tomorrow, again, a low end risk. Notice though, tomorrow doesn't really include much of southeast Louisiana, mainly more the Florida parishes within that little squall line kind of moving through with a complex of storms that'll be rolling through later tomorrow evening and night. Again, timing still being worked out, but it certainly looks like to begin the day and the first part of the afternoon tomorrow will be dry. Then the more latter afternoon, evening is when those storms will roll through. Mostly dry Sunday, and I'm kind of keeping the mention of rain out of the forecast through next week as high temperatures will sit in the low 90s.
Yikes. All right. Thank you, Chris.